we are here now at Brentwood Residence by Masaito Development Corporation. So we are amazed on this house model, Dana Model House Unit. So tara, let's do the house tour. So dito pa lang, panalo na tayo dahil sobrang luwag po yung carport nila. So this is a single detached model house unit by the Brentwood. So ito po yung actual turnover na po itong papasukin natin. So in this area, we have a porch. Bago tayo pumasok, may space pa tayo. Actually, pwede pa nating gawing parking area or i-landscape yan for your coffee with the family. And tara, pasukin po natin for the house vlog. Welcome to your home. So, andito tayo ngayon inside the Dana Model House Unit. So, we have up 5 rooms. So, 5 rooms po tayo including the maid's room po tayo. So, ngayon, puntahan muna natin yung kitchen area, the highlights of the kitchen area. Included na po itong mga cabinet natin and the sink. Then we have also a maid's room. So, very generous po yung ano dito dahil magkakaroon tayo ng maid's room with the comfort CR. And if we want to take the meeting or magtambay dito sa balkonahe natin, dito sa baba, we have a terrace here. And we have also a space if we are going to outside area. For example, we have groceries na ayaw nating dumaan na sa may living area. We have a space is here. So, lalagyan natin ng gate yan. And meron pang paikot dito actually yung house natin. Dahil single detached yung house construction natin, yung property natin. And dito, meron tayong CR. Dito sa baba, we have our ground floor CR. And this space is our living area. So, can you imagine our living area here? So, ganda. Ang aliwalas po ng bahay dahil malaki. And we have also our ground floor bedroom here. Then, let's go upstairs naman. So, bago tayo umakyat ng upstairs, then we have our storage area dito para at least medyo hindi kalat yung mga gamit natin. Kasi nga, ang laki nitong bahay. Grabe. So, let's go upstairs. Tignan natin yung 3 bedroom dito. So, I'm amazed. Lalo dito sa master bedroom. So, unahin na natin tong master bedroom kasi excited na ako makita kung anong inside the master bedroom. And the master bedroom, so ganito siya, ka-spacious. Laki with the wide window. And we have our own walk-in closet here. So, aside from the walk-in closet, our toilet and bath. Yung toilet and bath natin is mayroon na po siyang bathtub. So, ganda yan nung pagkaka-layout nitong bahay na to. So, aside from the master bedroom, we have a 2 bedroom here. So, tignan muna natin yung pinaka-common toilet nila dito. So, we have a common toilet upstairs. So, another bedroom here. And the last bedroom. Grabe, nakapaka-spacious po and generous yung bahay na to. This is matatawag kong dream house once na nakatira tayo dito sa subdivision na to at ganito kalaki po yung bahay natin. So if you want to know more about the details, sample computation, comment down below and we will guide you how to avail this model unit here at Brentwood under Masaito Development Corporation. So another model house unit inside the Brentwood Masaito Development Corporation is a Chantal model house unit. So we have a lot area of 210 square meters. So ang laki. Then we have our own garage here. So ito po yung garage natin. At least 2 nasasakyan pwede dito. And our porch area. So meron pa tayong space in front. So pwede nating i-landscape yan. Dito pa lang sa garage area, busog na po tayo sa space going to the kitchen area. So dito naman tayo. So we have a service area dito. Pwede po nating pabubungan pa ito. At dito yung magiging kitchen area natin. And another space pa dito sa likod. So meron pa yan. Because our unit is a single detached. Wala tayong katabi or our property is standalone. So pagpasok natin dito sa kitchen area, this is included na ito. The kitchen area. And dito is we have a maid's room naman. So our maid's room and our ground floor toilet and bath. In this area, we can put our dining area. So imagine our dining area and we have a lanai here. So meron po tayong lanai dito. So another open space. So if you want to stay outside to take a coffee with your family, and we have also access there. And dito naman, ito yung magiging natin, living area. So very spacious po and generous po yung bahay na ito. Then another one is a ground floor bedroom. So mga seniors citizen natin na medyo nangangatog na po yung tuhod. At meron tayong bedroom for there. And we have also the storage area here. And bago tayo umakyat, so let's check the 3-bedroom upstairs naman. So itong binablog natin is ganito na po yung magiging actual turnover natin. So ganito po. Pag gusto natin itong i-avail, so we have our master bedroom. So ito po yung magiging room natin. So walk-in closet area. So ang laki ng closet area niya with the own toilet and bath. Then, so balikan natin tong master bedroom. Puntahan muna natin tong dalawang unit dito. So another bedroom here. Then the second bedroom. With a common toilet and bath upstairs. Then, balikan natin tong master bedroom. So, nakapakita na natin kanina yung walk-in closet niya. Grabe ang laki. And we have a bathroom for the master bedroom. So, dito naman we have an access going to the balcony. So, ito yung kagandahan dito sa master bedroom natin because we have a 4 square meter area of our balcony. So, pwede tayong magmuni-muni dito, watch our community, kung gaano kaganda yung mga bahay dito sa Brentwood under the Masaito Development Corporation. So if you want to know more about the details of Chantal Model House Unit here at Masaito Development Corporation, just comment down below and look for Engineer Roel Bisperas or contact us at 0966-877-435 and look for Engineer Roel Bisperas. And please subscribe us on our YouTube channel, Pampanga Property Guide, and I will be assisting you in your house tour or any details do you want about this property. So this is another house model house tour inside the Masaito Development Corporation. So ito naman, grabe ang laki ng 300 square meter lot area ng Giselle Model House Unit natin. So let's go inside, let's do the vlog tour. So ito, we have a carport. Grabe yung carport nito, yung design. Nakaka-amaze. And we have a porch for the main door area natin. So dito tayo papasok ngayon sa may kitchen area. Then ito yung mga another access natin for the lanai area if you want to take a coffee. Our unit is a single detached 300 square meter lot area. And meron pa tayong mga space dito sa area. So we have also a corner unit if you want the corner unit of the Giselle Model House Unit. So ito kasi ongoing pa lang yung pagpipinish natin for the Giselle Model House Unit natin. And in this area, our dining area, imagine your dining area here and the living area is in this side. So ganito yung magiging living area natin. So receiving area or living area. And our very maganda tong ano nila, design for our preparation area, the kitchen area. So ganito po yung actual turnover natin. And another space po pagka gusto niyo pa nating dito yung service area natin. So grabe ang luwang. So let's check in this side. So ang luwang po ng property na to. Kahit saan ka umikot, mayroong pong space. And dito, we have our, so sarado yung ano natin, ground floor, ano natin, bedroom. So, let's check this one, our ground floor dito. So, ito yung for our ground floor, for the senior citizen na mga kasama natin sa bahay. And we have our common toilet and bath here. So, our bathroom here. And tara, umakyat naman tayo dito sa taas. So, ongoing pa yung pagre-repair po ng ano natin dito, unit natin. So, ganda po yung pagkakagawa ng unit na to. We have our toilet and bath here. So, meron tayong tatlong bedroom upstairs. So, this is a bedroom number 1. The bedroom number 2. And our master bedroom. So, let's check out. So, ito po yung magiging ano natin, toilet ng master bedroom, toilet and bath. So, para ka lang nasa elegant na toilet. So, we have our bathtub, the lavatory, and the toilet. So, grabe. Nakaka-amaze. And this is area for the walk-in closet. And this is our master bedroom. So, paglabas natin ng master bedroom, we have a balcony here. So, our balcony here is to see yung view of our community. So, grabe, ang lalaki po ng mga bahay dito. So, if you want to know more. So, isa sa inyo yung magkakaroon ng bahay dito. This is also your dream house. So, maybe your dream house is makikita nyo po dito inside the Masaito Development Corporation. So, comment now in my comment section and to learn more about the details of Giselle Model House Unit. If you are looking for lot only inside the exclusive subdivision here at Mabalacat City, located at Mabalacat City, we have also a lot only here. So this is an affordable lot only here at Mabalacat City. So price start at 19,000 per square meter. So yun po yung price natin, start up natin for the lot only here at Masaito Development Corporation. If you want more details about this property, just comment down below or contact us at 0966-877-435 and look for Engineer Elvis Perez. Don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel, Pampanga Property Guide, and see you here at Masaito Development Corporation.